Hi! In front of me is TCL 40, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing sound and vibration. Now click on phone ringtone and vibrate, and over here click on the switcher next to also vibrate vocals. This way you can disable or enable vibrations for your incoming calls. When you're ready, go back and click on more sound settings. Now you can click on the switcher next to vibration on touch to enable or disable this feature. Lastly, click on haptic feedback vibration duration and adjust intensity of it. Then save your changes by tapping on OK or discard them by choosing cancel. If you wish to go back into the default ones, just click on default. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!